Perfect.
Pew! Okay, so far. It's been a little bit of pain in the butt. The whole front end. Oh my goodness. Oh. The dirt. That's the big thing. Is just everything's just bound up. It's gross. So now that's off. Now I can work on here. And then hopefully get to there. I don't know. I'm pretty tired today too. I advise everybody, don't get old. It sucks. That's my advice. Okay. Off getting this off. Getting it off. That sounds pretty pretty. I'm going to get that off the quad. There, that sounds better, right?
Time to get this motor out. Yamaha's needs a little bit of a restore.
Just a touch.
Can-Ams are getting too fast.
Gotta make mine faster. Oh, as I pull the whole thing on myself.
This camera's pretty heavy.
That's because you're a bitch.
Coming from the guy wearing gloves to wrench.
Yeah, look at this.
It's only a 700.
770.
Internally.
Internally.
You and your kids talking smack. Uh-oh, went black.
Oh, it's just the screen just turned on. It's still recording. What the hell am I caught on here?
Pride?
Apparently.
Kid likes my jokes.
Something.
There's a plug right there that's hitting against your top frame.
Yep.
There you go. You're clear now.
mother! I did this by myself, no problem. Last 2 times.
That's because
Oh. That's an issue there. Okay.
Mr. Hot Rod showed up.
Yeah. Oh, zip ties.
Good luck getting those.
Oh, that's just a.
You know what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
This is for us to water. And until this water gets
Little
empty,
bastards.
you have to refill it up back up.
Got me.
You missed it, bud.
Yeah, I missed her. Well, there's so much crap going on here.
Daddy,
Yes.
this is going to be right here. And
Something else is.
gets filled up.
Oh my God! Really?
You rookie.
Apparently.
I've done this 3 times before.
There's a 10 mil over there. Can you get?
Daddy,
10. Yeah, 3 times. Many times apart from each other.
You should do it 3 times more.
Apparently, I have to go back to school.
I can do this.
Thanks, bud.
Well, good luck going to school at this day and age.
This is meant to be.
I know.
This tube is meant to be right here, right in the middle. And there's meant to be a funnel here. And
Sorry, that's
the water shoots out into the bottle. And that's
Doesn't.
how the bottle gets filled
Not a
up.
10 mil?
The water.
Not 10 mil. That's that looks like a 12, 14 actually. Should be the red one.
You mean black?
Or that one's a 14 too. That red one. Okay, I know some things.
I see that. I forget zip ties, forget to undo this,
I
forget
need
to
to-
undo that.
Need the deeper one.
That's what she said.
No. I need it deeper. Okay, are you in?
Apparently not.
Are you in? Wait, I didn't have to disconnect that. This one. I was doing the wrong one. Oh,
I like him.
Thanks for making fun of me.
One
Ian.
time you went deeper, finally paid off.
See, I was right the first time. I needed 10 mil. Why didn't you do that?
I handed you a 10 mil.
You didn't put it on the right nut though.
That's what it is.
I see nothing.
It's hilarious.
That's hilarious.
Just wait for the edit that comes out of this part.
Oh, it's all gonna be edited up.
No, you gotta get the couple of chunks in there.
Ow! Ow! I just smelled good. So there's like that.
Which GoPro's this?
It's a 7.
It is a new one?
No, 8's a new one. That's a 7 Pro, but you know what? The differences between a 7 and 8?
Or fuck all.
It's
Well, this is the one I'm looking at buying.
Yeah.
Well worth it?
Yep.
All that I can see is that line there, which you have in your hand. Holy smokes, man. Just
What?
yank it off.
Which one's this now? What is this?
It's clearly
That's my gear selector, I think.
It's important because it's still attached.
Yep. Oh no, it's not my gear selector. That is my.
Not funny.
It's this. Whatever this goes to.
Throttle.
Why has this got to be like this?
Just a, no, it, maybe.
How does this thread out? Maybe. Okay, now we're ready to pull.
Take 2.
Uh-huh. Okay. Damn, son. She's out.
She needs a little bit of work.
Set it up right here.
Some seals.
Ow.
Needs
Yeah,
another.
I got new seals for here, new head gasket, and then yeah, this thing needs that is.
Send it.
I went full 2 sendies.
Trying to keep up to the Can-Am
Ha!
and not succeeding.